I have 10 minutes to get ready and leave, so let's do this. This morning at 6:30 in the morning, we are going to be doing a Sailor Pluto inspired look today because that is what was requested in the comment sections, and I am so excited about it. So I'm going fast. So we're going to use a purple, like a deep purple, and then we're going to use the GirlCult palette. We're going to use that really shimmery greenish silver color because it's just so pretty. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do like a light smoky eye. I think I'm going to pull out my Too Faced palette and use the purple in that one. It's the Boudoir palette. It's so pretty. Haven't used it in a while, but that purple right there is really pretty. So we're going to use that, and then I'm going to show you the inspiration. So I don't know if you can see, but this is my inspiration photo. Her hair is kind of green and shimmery, and the jewels on her hip. So we're going to go with the purple bow, and then we're going to go with like the shimmery type middle. Yeah, I got like 6 minutes. Pluto's always just been my second favorite scout next to Jupiter. I don't know why. I've just always just loved her mystery. Like, what timeline is she really from? Like, she's the keeper of time. Like, you know, I just think it's so neat. And the fact that Pluto's now not a planet, but like, she was such a prominent like figure in the show, really just, I don't know. I love Sailor Pluto. I think Pluto will always be a planet in my heart. But she is one of my favorites, and I think she's like really pretty and like mysterious. I don't know, I just love her. Get the eyes done. So what we're gonna do, this one's gonna go here, and then that dark purple is gonna go in on my outer, like a smoky eye. Yeah, this is gonna look really pretty. It looks more black on the camera, but it's not. But I'm also gonna keep it really subtle. I got like 3 minutes. We're not gonna do lashes today because I'm working at my daycare that I work for. But I am gonna do my liner in black. You know what? We're gonna have to do the GirlCult with my finger because I can't find the brush. Like, this pulls out purple and green. It's so shimmery. It's so pretty. I'm really glad my boss lets me because I might be late. But yeah, it's like 6:30 in the morning. Well, no, it's almost 7. I have to be there at 7:30. But here we are fucking around in makeup today for the Sailor Scouts. All for the content, right? But like, you can kind of tell by my finger, like, it looks more gold here, but it's not. It's like a green shimmery color. So yeah, hold on. Let me do my liner and I'll be back. I'm gonna go with my Sailor Moon Color Pop. We sped run this. We sped run this look. Alright, I think I'm gonna do my hair like hers and do like the half up, half down. The half up, yeah, the half up, half down look. I have so much hair. My hair is so long. But yeah, let's see. Remember the other video when I chopped my bangs myself? I don't like measured out. Don't kill me. I might even do like a black ribbon in my hair today. I'm having trouble, guys. Hang on. We're gonna go to the mirror. All right. I'm gonna turn down the brightness of this so you can kind of see it a little better. That's a little better. But yeah, this is kind of what we got going for us. Oh. My hair's still kind of wet, so not too bad for 14 minutes. That's what we got going for the work today. It's kind of hard to see, but I'll post some pictures on Instagram so you can see the final result. Coming to this video for Sailor Pluto's inspired makeup today. I'm going to show you an up close here in just a second. Thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel, and if you like this power sped through video, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment in the bottom who your favorite Sailor Scout is, and I will see you in the next video.